Securite, securite, securite. All vessels off the coast of Newcastle, all vessels off the coast of Newcastle, all vessels on Newcastle Harbour. All vessels, please be advised that there is a gale wind warning in place for today, Tuesday, the 23rd of March for Hunter Coastal waters. I say again, there is a gale wind warning in place for today, Tuesday, for Hunter Coastal waters. Winds will be northeasterly, 25 to 30 knots, increasing to 30 to 40 knots during the afternoon. Winds turning northerly, 20 to 35 knots in the evening. Seas 2.5 to 3 metres, increasing to 3 to 5 metres around midday. Swell northeasterly, 1.5 to 2 metres. Tending northeasterly, 1.5 to 2.5 metres in the afternoon. All vessels, please be aware that there is a gale wind warning in place for the rest of today, Tuesday, for Hunter Coastal waters. All vessels masters off the coast of Newcastle are advised that the weather conditions off Newcastle are deteriorating and the swell at the entrance will be increasing. It is advised that all vessels follow the advice in maritime publications regarding the Newcastle coast, remain at sea until the conditions moderate. During this period, it is recommended that your distance from the nearest coastline be greater than 10 nautical miles. This is Newcastle Harbour, standing by 0916.